Hi, I'm Michael,
And
we're going to open some.
more cookie run.
This is our fourth
Fourth day.
day of opening Cookie Run. So we opened 10, 6, then 6, right?
6 again.
So konti
So-
na lang natitira.
So, when we open 6, there's only gonna be 2 left.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8. So choose 6, 3. At ubos na ang ating isang box. Okay, this one, ito, ibubuksan natin ito sa ibang araw. Lagyan
It's
natin
gonna
ito.
be a 2-pack battle.
Right. So this is Cookie Run, Brave Burst, Operation Time Guard. I have my 3 and Andre has his 3. Pairam ako na aking gunting.
Here. I'm gonna open it manually.
We have our sleeves and our
Me first.
meron tayong bisita. Okay, tingnan natin. O, pakita mo dito.
We got a cheese. Cheese, not cookie. Current cream cookie, white and black. Mint choco cookie. Hero cookie.
Oh, bago yan. Hero cookie.
It looks like Superman.
Spider-Man nga.
Clever
Last, 1,
advice.
2, 3. At ayun na yun. Okay, my turn.
Yeah.
Excuse.
Wait, if the last card is an item, that means no hit. But if there's another card, that means there's a hit. Right?
Okay. Butter cookie.
Ouch.
Skating queen cookie.
Banana cookie. Yun
Banana
yun.
cookie. Pink choco and oh, wala na. Your turn.
Wait, why are we not getting a no
I
hit?
think we got every hit in one box na.
Yeah. Considering how much shares we already got.
We have SS. Meron palang SUR eh. Nakita ko sa group eh.
SUR.
Oo,
Super ultra rare.
siguro ganun.
So,
Hindi ko rin alam.
Chess cookie. Lotus fruit cookie. Carrot cookie. Artichoke.
And
Oh!
oh,
Mala sauce cookie.
ano SR?
SR.
Ang dami natin akong SR rare pati ano. Isa lang SSR. Parang dalawang ultra rare.
Wait, there's no item. Does that mean if there's no item, does that mean there's gonna be a super? Daddy.
Wait. Okay, my second pack.
We're gonna put it here
My second pack. Tingnan natin.
in the middle, of course.
Excuse me. Soda cookie.
Soda.
Cherry cookie. Lemon cookie. Popcorn and oh, wala.
The trap's kinda cool.
Stage.
Maybe we got all the hits already. Or those 2 last packs is holding the best hits.
Ayun, yun ang di natin alam. Malalaman natin yan sa ibang araw pag bubuksan natin siya.
So we got a chocolate bonbon.
Last pack mo yan, no? Yup, last pack mo.
Wala ano ka. Si daddy
Chocolate
lang
bonbon
mayon.
cookie. Mango tribe cookie. Avocado cookie.
Last na.
And egg.
Okay, last pack.
Maybe we got all the hits already.
Last pack. Wait.
Maybe we got all the hits already, considering how much hits we already got.
Last pack. Macaron cookie. Candlelight cookie. Mini wafer cookie. Last one of this, and oh, wala.
Maybe we
So
got
we
all
only
the
have
hits.
1 hit out of the 6 packs.
Maybe because we got all
Ah,
the
Mala
hits.
sauce cookie.
Look how many years we got and
Alright.
super rares.
Yeah. Alright, that's
And
it for this
ultra rares.
video. Hope you enjoy. And yun lang. I'm Michael. And ikaw, ano pangalan mo? What's your name? What's your name? Anyway, bye-bye.
Bye.